Make a great choice today with 2005 Liberty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rack. Inside you'll find power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.